Welcome to my channel Electronic Science Tutorial. Recently I started a new lecture series on data interpretation and we will trying to solve the previous year NET and SET question paper. In last class we solved December 2012 second part of the second question of the UGC NET data interpretation part. Today I will solve the third and fourth question of December 2012 UGC NET data interpretation question. So without any time waste, let's start our class. December 2012 third question is, which of the following activities remains almost stagnant in terms of share of expenditures? Option A, northeastern areas. Option B, welfare to SC, ST and OBC. Option C, information and broadcasting. Option D, social welfare and nutrition. If we carefully study this graph according to the options, first option is northeastern areas. Northeastern areas in 2007 and 8 the value is 0.00. 8 to 9 the value is 1.56. 9 to 10 the value is 1.50. 10 to 11 the value is 1.75. The last value is much greater than this value and this value is, the first value is 0. Okay, so this is the not a stagnant term, stagnant share of expenditure. We can't say that this is a stagnant share of expenditure in all the years, right? So by this way option A has been cancelled out. Option B is welfare to SC, ST and OBC. If we carefully follow this table graph, that is 0.36 first value, next value 0.35, third value is 0.41 and the fourth value is 0.63. 0.63 is also too much high than 0.36, 0.35 and 0.61. So option B is also not a stagnant in terms of share of expenditures, right? Option C, information and broadcasting. The value is 0.22. Next year value is 0.22. The value is remains same. Third year value is 0.20 and the fourth year value is 0.22. So we can say that if we carefully saw this graph, that if then we can say that in information and broadcasting system has almost in a stagnant terms of share of expenditure, right? Just by observing and assuming that total government expenditure stands at the same level. So option C is the correct answer of this question. Okay, coming to the next question. December 2012 fourth question is, which of the following items expenditure share is almost equal to the remaining three items in the given years? Option A, information and broadcasting. Option B, welfare to SC, ST and OBC. Option C, labor and employment. Option D, social welfare and nutrition. How we solve this problem? The question is, which of the following items expenditure share is almost equal to the remaining three items in the given years? So if we add option A, option B and option C, and this value is equal to the social welfare and nutrition, then we get the solution. So what is the value of information and broadcasting? 0.22. Next value is 0.36. Welfare SC, ST and OBC, and labor and employment value is 0.27. If we add these three numbers, we get 0.85, which is nearly equal to social welfare and nutrition. The value is 0.82. Okay, if we add 0.22 plus 0.36 plus 0.27, it is nearly equal to 0.82. The value is the total value is 0.85, which is nearly equal to 0.82. Next option is, if we add 0.22, 0.35, 0.27, this value is 0.84, which is not equal to the 0.72. So, what is the right option? Option D is the correct answer. Here the approach should be to pick the largest figure among the answer choices and just see the total of remaining 3 is approximately equal to them or not for verification. Here among the choices, the largest figure is social welfare and nutrition for different years. For 2008 to 9, the total of information and broadcasting welfare to SC, ST and OBC and labor and employment is 0.85, which is comparable to that of social welfare and nutrition at 0.82. Okay, so in this case we can say that option D is the correct answer, right? Hope you understand this topic. Thank you. If you like, do like, share and subscribe my channel.